Zviri Mudzimba.
What are you?
Tafuma, my man.
Man of the moment.
What's up?
Mishi, should say.
Dina, how are you?
I'm fine.
Sure.
How you feeling?
I'm better.
You better?
Very better.
Kumani waribo?
Wabuda.
Kwa mwacho?
Wabuda wabuda.
Wabuda.
Manu kumashops kwaenda.
Alright.
Yeah.
Asante zvinhu kundinetsa. Ndofunga kuti how am I going to face my name?
So, bye bye ka. Asante tombotaura nyaya dzacho.
No. I mean, how am I going to face my name?
I don't know.
You remember wakaya office last time?
Yeah, I remember you told me.
Wakantudza ma speculations awanga now about you. Ndikati nini? Ngoni. He's very innocent.
Nongondikavira tapoma. You are my brother. Nongondikavirawo.
I have no choice. But usafunga kuti she's stupid. She's not stupid. Hapana zvikuita. Ndokukavira.
Afinekamo.
Chapinda zvekune pia. But what wakutonzwa bobo zvakatonyasa nakira chechezvo.
Yeah, ndobosha. Ndinokumwe support abvumo yandorasa.
But watobo.
Yeah.
So tikandakadai uri bo. Yeah. Ndopayment yako iyo.
Come on, man.
Don't worry, you will leave.
Really?
Sumuka, you will leave. Sumuka weka.
Come on.
Hebu sitoka na kinaomba.
Wautowedzeresa zvinhu manje.
Did not sort of wait again. Didn't work. I think I had to find out. She came with a business proposal.
Who?
Who else?
The White Witch.
Yeah, the White Witch.
Why? How good is the proposal?
It's good. But it's something that we need to think twice before we make a decision.
It usually depends on a lot of trouble.
Right now, in Zimbabwe, as a man, trouble is something that you think after.
Let's think about it.
Think about it.
The White Witch. Maita.
Bata.
Kono ndimboita uchimbozorora. Mabasa epamba apera. Plus besides, ndakutora kumba kwenyu tongosvika uchingobinduka nemabasa epamba. Pane zvimwe zvandikanyatsa kutorera zvangu.
Nebata. Zvino ini ndikagara, tese togara. Pana papa, uda kubikirwa, muda kuachirwa. Mvura chaiye mutole tinocherwa nani?
Vanokadzi. Handizvigonezve. Let me enjoy my free day, though I would have loved it to enjoy it with my wife.
Zvababata nyama. Tichiri vana here kutokura kwautoona.
Iko kuzvichembedza nguva yekuchembera isati yakwana ka. Ndokuurayisa dzimba dzakawanda ikoko.
Baba. Batan. Ndio yangu na wapi namba? Batan.
Do you know how much I love you?
That's young. You know Zandoda.
I know. If you didn't love me, I would have lost you a long, long time ago. But you showed me a true African woman who have been knocked down a few times. Actually, many times than I can count. But still manages to get up again and again and again. Okay, amazing.
Baba Tan. Realistic speaking, Panagakuti in sadness and in happiness, I always stay. I meant it. And come rain, come thunder, I'm here to stay.
If you say it like that, it makes me scared. I don't know what they did.
Baba Tan. Ungachike mukadzi wakarora wega and you've lived with me for so many years.
Those are the most scary ones. This is wonderful.
Batan.
Serious? Sure. I'm the happiest person in the world right now.
Batan, you're suffocating the baby.
Oh, sorry,
Baba.
Sorry, Bobo. I'm happy. Wow. What a massage. Let's find out. Me and I can get something.
What's your shift?
I'm a mother again! Again and again and again!
So who did that on the fashion together?
Gawazive. Massage. Massage. Ooh la la.
I'm very happy for you, my brother. It's no father won't let. We should celebrate. Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning, babe. I'm up so early. Let's go back to bed.
Nombotesa kwa nongodza hapa vile. But last night was amazing.
But I think something is troubling you.
Don't worry, I'm okay.
Okay. Babe, who was on the phone?
That was Latanya.
Wanaka?
Yes, Kwaganaka. He just found out that he's going to be a father again.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh my god, I should call my time. No, in fact, I should buy something from Okorokocho. What do you think?
I think that's a very good idea. I love you.
I love you too, boo.
So, now, you're going back to bed, I'm going to make some breakfast for you. And
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you. Madam, you shouldn't be carrying heavy things like this.
But I'm punishing you one year.
You almost what the shisha can change. Such a stress, isn't it? Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Tufana ufamba futhi.
Saka moto ntingi kakhulu.
Don't think I put on that back.
yes, babe.
I'm sorry.
Don't worry. Ndakenda basa.
Oh, okay, have a good day.
Thank you. Saka ngane lunch here, Dante.
I want.
Okay.
Alright. Chapman, let's
Yeah?
come back. Can I give us your wallet?
A wallet.
Yes, your wallet. Okay. So, I want you to always carry this with you. Alright? Alright, good. For my safety and yours. Yeah.
Why do you always do that?
This is for safety. For my safety and yours.
All right. See you for lunch.
Alright.
Hello? Excuse me. Can you open this for me?
beers no matter.
Jamarayo, to do to serious boy. Shall not get 25 is all it is. Shall you imagine?
What does it teach? See, Zviri
Mudzimba.
It's gonna dangerous.
Sena nazo mani.
I'm to tell you. I cannot jump to the was can never. I just need to trap it as my woman to movies again.
Alright, boys. Mom is here. And we'll talk about the gaga because I've got some other business to take care of in here. And listen, Mariangu ndumida mangwani. Tunzwana na here, little boy.
Listen, young lady. We're not your boys.
I don't care, son. You're what I say you are.
Son, you don't just come in here and disrespect us.
Surely I can. You want to do something about it?
Oh, Dandy, I can think of a million ways to make her cry.
Oh, you're welcome to try. And don't get over that direct no chema wa evil. Chill, okay? I think it's a very big problem dealing with little boys like you.
Next time you do this, I think you will die. I'll get you for this.
Do whatever you want, son.
See.
Okay, leave one.
Leave.
Tafun, watango nikwezere.
I'm gonna get you. Get out. Get out. Get enough of this.
No. Leave it. Ziatanga.
Hey, let this be a lesson to you and all other stupid men who harasses women. Okay? Daddy.
Man, I don't like her at all. Who does she think she is?
Man, relax.
Come on, man. I hate it when people come into our workplace. This is our place and start disrespecting us. Especially that little girl.
I know. This is business, my brother. It's business. The world we are in now, we don't understand it, Auntie. You understand?
man, I understand.
You just need to keep your head, man. Keep your head in the ground, man. And besides, you know.
What?
Hey, mommy.
Hi, my girl.
Hey, baby.
Hello.
And besides, it's so much day today.
Don't have to. What kind of menu would that be if I forget about our lunch?
Oh, I love you so much.
Yeah.
I love you too.
Please don't do that in front of kids. Ha.
Wanawapi?
Hello? Me?
Mimi, we love kissing. We do this at least 10 times a day. We love kissing. It's nice.
That's so sweet. Very sweet.
Hey, can you give us about 2 minutes? I just want to finish up something then. We
Okay.
can go.
Okay. Later.
Right.
Goodbye. Take care.
Bye.
Tavuma, I don't even remember the last time I kissed one of my time. Even probably knows how to kiss some marriage also. So it doesn't go on up TV. You know, I just feel like kissing is very sweet. It's sweet and sweet.
You know, I love that woman. Those little things that we do actually keeps us going. Love without romance. You know, Bo. You should do something about it. And is it?
What?
And don't be jealous.
Dude, go, boy, go.
You should learn.
Oh, come on, go. Enjoy your day, and it. Don't worry, I'll solve everything here. Sort it out. That's cute.
Baby, can I tell you something?
Yeah, what?
Do you know you're the best thing that ever happened to me?
You serious?
Yes.
And, by the way, you have the honor of making me blush. I don't know why you always do that.
I'm going to do that forever. I love you too.
So you're going to cook today?
Yes, I'm cooking. Your best. Your favorite.